Today, we're diving deep into the latest leaks surrounding the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Get ready for bigger screens, faster performance, and maybe even a more refined design. Leaker extraordinaire, Ali TA Tech is back with some supposedly live photos of the Z Fold 6. However, Ali warns that this Fold 6 dummy unit might not be entirely accurate. Apparently, the crease in the display is less noticeable, the speaker placement's off, and the edges appear sharper than expected. The bezels on the unfolded screen also seem a bit thicker. But fear not, folks. Ali also shared what they claim is a more accurate photo of the Z Fold 6 unfolded. We can't see much detail, but it does give us a sense of the overall size and form factor. Another photo showcases the front of the device. Ali assures us it's only slightly wider than the Fold 5, and the camera angle might be exaggerating the width. The squarer edges definitely contribute to that illusion as well. The rumor mill keeps churning, and this time it involves NBTC certification for the Z Fold 6, Flip 6, Watch 7, and Watch Ultra. These certifications not only confirm the existence of these devices, but also reveal their model numbers and connectivity specs. For the Z Fold 6, the model number is SMF 956 bits/DS, and it will support GSM, WCDMA, LTE, and NR 5G connectivity. Similar connectivity options are listed for the Flip 6, SMF 741B. As for the smartwatches, the Galaxy Watch 7 SML 315F will have WCDMA and LTE, while the Watch Ultra SML 75F boasts the same. Now let's talk about the good stuff, performance. My Smart Price unearthed a Geekbench listing for the Z Fold 6 US version, unlocked. The listing reveals the expected Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, Android 14, and 12 gigabytes of RAM. But here's the exciting part. The benchmark scores are significantly higher than previous leaks. The Z Fold 6 scored a hopping 2,257 in single-core performance and 6,993 in multi-core. These numbers are a clear improvement over the earlier scores of 1,964 and 6,619 respectively. There are two possible explanations. It could be due to software optimization as the phone nears release, or simply because benchmark scores can fluctuate between tests. Regardless, these results are promising. Compared to the Z Fold 5's average Geekbench scores, 1,940 single-core, 5,119 multi-core, the Z Fold 6 looks like a beast. It even outperforms the mighty S24 Ultra, which averages 2,160 for single-core and 6,746 for multi-core. The leaks suggest that the Z Fold 6 is shaping up to be a significant upgrade over its predecessor. We can expect a potentially larger display with a less noticeable crease, a more refined design with sharper edges, a powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip, and a noticeable performance boost. Of course, these are just leaks, and Samsung hasn't officially confirmed anything yet. But with the NBTC certification and rising number of leaks, the Z Fold 6's launch seems imminent. Stay tuned for more updates as they unfold. Pun intended. Don't forget to like and subscribe for the latest tech news and reviews. In the comments below, let me know what excites you most about the Z Fold 6. Today, we are diving into the latest buzz surrounding the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Buckle up, because this phone is shaping up to be a true game changer in the world of smartphones. Let's get into the juicy details. First off, Samsung seems laser focused on making the S25 Ultra the king of smartphones in 2025. The company appears to be using a two-pronged attack to achieve this, a monstrous camera system and mind-blowing performance upgrades. Let's start with the camera. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to stick with its familiar quad-camera setup, but with some serious enhancements. The main sensor will likely boast a hopping 200 megapixels, matching the S24 Ultra but optimized for the S25 Ultra's specific hardware, thanks to the new Snapdragon Agent 4 camera ISP. But that's not all. We're also looking at a 5x optical zoom lens with a 50 megapixel sensor, a brand new 3x optical zoom lens, also with a 50 megapixel sensor, and an ultra-wide angle lens getting a bump to 50 megapixels as well. These upgrades, particularly for the 3x zoom and ultra-wide sensors, are long overdue and promise to significantly elevate mobile photography. Now let's talk about performance. One of the most exciting rumors is the reintroduction of a fan-favorite feature, a 16 gigabytes RAM option. And not just any RAM, but the industry-first LPDDR5X RAM, capable of speeds up to a staggering 10.7 GePs. This translates to unparalleled performance for on-device AI, demanding tasks like cloud gaming, and much more. When you combine this insane RAM with the power of the Snapdragon Agent 4 processor, The S25 Ultra has the potential to be the absolute performance leader in the smartphone world. Speaking of the Agent 4, another reliable leak suggests it'll house the most powerful GPU ever seen in a smartphone. Benchmarks show prototypes running Genshin Impact at a smooth 1080 resolution and 60 FPS, a dream for mobile gamers. Currently, this popular game is capped at 720 on most phones, and maintaining a consistent 60 FPS is a struggle. Of course, with great power comes a potentially higher price tag. Rumors suggest the Snapdragon Agent 4 chip could inflate the price of the entire S25 series compared to its predecessor. Qualcomm has reportedly increased the cost of the Agent 4 significantly compared to the Agent 3. This leaves Samsung with a tough choice: raise prices across the board or potentially use the Exynos 2500 processor for the S25 and S25 Plus, reserving the mighty Agent 4 exclusively for the S25 Ultra. The Agent 4 itself is a whole new beast, built from the ground up using Qualcomm's Super Orion cores previously seen in their laptops. This chip has the potential to give the Galaxy S25 Ultra performance that rivals some Apple M series laptops. But wait, there's more. We also have hot rumors about the Galaxy S25 Ultra being equipped with the next generation of storage, UFS 4.1. Universal Flash Storage, or UFS, determines how fast your phone can access and store data. The latest and greatest version is UFS 4.0, which powers many current flagships, including the Galaxy S24. But the future is calling, and whispers suggest the Galaxy S25 Ultra might be the first to sport UFS 4.1. While UFS 5.0 is expected around 2027, UFS 4.1 steps in as a minor yet significant upgrade. It's not a mind-blowing jump in raw numbers, but it's targeted to enhance specific areas like on-device AI features. Faster read and write speeds with UFS 4.1 will allow the phone to access data needed by AI algorithms much quicker, translating to smoother performance for features like scene optimization in your camera app, real-time language translation, and other background AI functions. So, what does this all mean? The Galaxy S25 Ultra, if equipped with UFS 4.1, is shaping up to be a powerhouse for AI enthusiasts. Faster data access, improved multitasking, and potential battery life improvements. That's a recipe for a future-proof phone ready to tackle demanding tasks. Of course, this is all based on rumors for now, but one thing's for sure: the future of smartphones looks increasingly intertwined with the power of AI, and the Galaxy S25 Ultra, with its potential UFS 4.1 upgrade, might just be at the forefront of that exciting evolution. So there you have it. What are your thoughts on the upcoming S25 Ultra? Are the camera upgrades exciting you? Can't wait for the return of 16 gigabytes RAM? Or is the potential power of the Snapdragon Agent 4 blowing your mind? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in. I will see you in the next one, guys. Until then, goodbye.